Welcome to another exciting episode of Train Trackers.
Yep.
We got a slow CSX coming our way, freight train.
Yeah.
Happy New Year to everybody, right?
Yeah, 2022.
We haven't been around in a while, so we definitely missed you all, but guess what? We're going to be tracking quite a few trains in 2022.
Yeah.
We're going to try to get a little bit of a further shot of this CSX, right?
Yeah.
We don't want to be too close.
We're at a new spot today.
Yeah, never filmed from here before. Hoping we don't get in trouble. Sometimes, you know, you might have to do a little trespassing to get a good shot of a train. This is what they call a private crossing, right, Blake?
Yeah. So it's like a field where farmers can do stuff, and it's just like a normal crossing, just it doesn't have any lights or anything. It's just like a little road that goes over the tracks.
Yeah.
But they got a hog here always, because cars might come through here.
Well, hopefully the cows look both ways before they cross the train track, huh?
Yeah.
A little chilly today.
And a little bit rain.
Not bad though for January.
Not bad.
About 40 degrees out. A little foggy.
Hear him. I hear him. There it is.
Boy, this one could take a while. Brought your gloves for this one. Looks like we have an array of cars on this train. Maybe you should tell your viewing audience that you got a little CSX train for Christmas this year.
I did. I got an HO CSX toy train that actually runs on electric.
Till you derailed it. Now we have to get it repaired.
Yeah, by accident.
Obviously, you weren't reenacting this train sighting because it wouldn't have derailed with this thing. What do you think's inside those cars, Blake?
These?
Yeah.
I would say probably like bolts or something. Like, it's gotta be like, they're box cars, but there's gotta be like some kind of boxes inside of them. That's what box cars are for. They have box and they're cars.
So you think there's boxes in them cars?
Yeah.
I guess that makes sense.
If it did it, then I don't know.
Again, don't take what we say as fact, right?
Yeah.
We're guessing along the way with you folks. Look at that. I haven't seen a green car like that.
That's a...
It's a Southern Railway car.
Yeah, those don't come around here too often.
I wonder how old some of these cars are.
I mean, half of them are rusted.
I remember when I was younger, it used to be Conrail trains that used to come through here. I don't know if they still exist or not.
They exist still, but they're in a different country.
Different part of the state, you mean, or the country?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I watch on YouTube, and Conrails are still on in 2022.
Wow. Boy, you're pretty knowledgeable. How's the train sim game going? You got one of those you're playing an awful lot of too, right?
Yeah. Mostly I derail them a lot, but...
Mostly you derail them a lot, but you could probably drive a CSX at this point.
Yeah.
Well, we may have to try to take one for a joyride one day. We might be able to hop on this one at this point.
It's going too slow. We could probably go a mile and the thing's not even there yet.
We might have to go track him down, kick him out of the driver's seat, and throw you in there and get this train moving.
As long as I know what the speed limit is. If one of those tanker car derails, we're in big trouble.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll make us evacuate the premises.
Still coming.
Starting to get a little heavier with the rain here, buddy.
Yeah. Actually, it was raining hard when the thing wasn't coming. Well, yeah, when it wasn't coming. And now the rain calmed down a little bit and it's going a little more at the same time.
So you do realize when you talk and you look away, it's hard to hear what you're saying, right?
No.
Yeah, because you don't have to hear yourself think. Wow, they got a lot of tanker cars on this.
I hear an engine.
I hear an engine too.
They're carrying like multofino. Or how do you say that word? I don't know.
That's
It's the
it.
end. I wonder if anyone is in the back one.
Well, if he is, he better put the pedal to the metal.
Lights are on a little. That was a long and slow one. I bet if that thing was going a little bit faster, it would have been over by
We're looking at about 8 minutes on this train. But we did sit around and yap our trap for about the first minute and a half, so probably a 6.5 minute train sighting right there, buddy.
Yep.
The rain ain't gonna stop the train.
Trains budge through rain, snow. They go through anything.
I know, we're gonna have to catch one plowing the snow one day.
I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, only if there's a huge amount of snow that would go. Like there's already a plow in the front of the tree, so if the train just goes and there's a humongous amount of snow, the plow in the front, which is there in the summer, because watch the snow.
You're a chatterbox.
No, I'm not.
If you were a train car, you'd be the chatterbox. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode of Train Trackers. Until next time.
Don't lose track.
Good job, buddy.
Well, I got